Will you watch English movies on Friday? Will you watch English movies on Friday? She will cook dinner for her family. She will cook dinner for her family. I will play with my cat tomorrow. I will play with my cat tomorrow. They will play video games on Sunday. They will play video games on Sunday. He will write a letter to his brother. He will write a letter to his brother. The dog will eat all the bones tonight. The dog will eat all the bones tonight. I will go to the shopping mall in the evening. I will go to the shopping mall in the evening. I will make a cup of tea. I will make a cup of tea. He will call me tomorrow. He will call me tomorrow. They will win the match. They will win the match. They will go to the school. They will go to the school. I will return her book. I will return her book.